Hi guys, welcome to the Rigs. Today I'd like to share with you a gift I received from my husband. So we know that a few weeks ago, Apple launched its newest addition to its iPhone family, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So today you will be unboxing it with us, and we will also do a quick review on its features. No? So let's open! I'm so excited! Thank Hey! So guys, no, as you can see, this edition ng iPhone 12 Pro Max is, they have a different box na. So it's thinner than the normal, yung iPhone. I have this as iPhone X, no? Ta-da-da-da-dan, so, I had the gold one. Yeah! Kaya naka-gold din yung aking nails. Yan. So guys, ito na. Look, it's big, no? And I like the sides of it, the rim, no? Parang, I remember I had iPhone 5 noon. And it's almost the same here yung rim, no? So, a little bit slightly bigger lang yung kanilang button here because yung iPhone 5 was round, di ba? Oh, it's so sexy. Ganda, di ba? My husband can't help but smile kasi hindi talaga siya makasmile. Masakit yung ipin niya. So, let's try to open it. Yeah! Oh, napaka-dramatic, guys. No? Actually, it fits perfectly in my palm. So, what's inside the box? Kasi diba, we've learned that yung iPhone now is trying to remove this one. So, wala na tayong adapter. We only got this one. Yeah. Before, meron tayong earphones. Diba? So, ngayon, they opted not to give yung earphones. So, if you want an extra earphones, you have to buy one, no? Face ID complete. It's restoring na, guys. Yung from my old iPhone to here, it's being transferred through my iCloud, na. Andiyan na, guys, lahat. So guys, there are some things that you need to know before you buy the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Actually, it was accidental when we ordered this product, when my husband ordered this for me. Kasi, I was actually planning to have or to buy iPhone 12. So since we did not order it online, so they don't have anything for us to offer. So, very accidental lang. But then again, it was a nice thing that I really ordered this one, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Why? So this review is actually coming from a person, like a normal person who's not techie like me, no? But then again, tayo, when we buy things, we want to compare, contrast, and also know some of the details. How I get to appreciate this iPhone 12 Pro Max. iPhone 12 series are 5G ready and with A14 Bionic. What does it mean? It means faster. Yeah, faster than any other smartphones in terms of downloading and uploading. So for us Filipinos, we like to watch Netflix or we like to watch movies or any other videos to download, and it's faster. And when it comes to uploading our videos naman, it's also faster. Of course, it will depend on your Wi-Fi. No? But then again, as you can see, it's also lesser bezels. What does it mean? Larger screen, of course, and more fun when watching, di ba? And because of its 6.7 Super Retina XDR display, hindi masyadong sasakit ang eyes natin. So, with this OLED display, as you can see, it's the largest display among all the iPhones that we had. So, better viewing experience talaga. Talking about ceramic shield. So, guys, this one, yung glass niya is 4 times tougher and stronger than any other smartphone glass. So, based on the dropping performance, no? Just a short story. When I had my iPhone X, after 2 weeks, I dropped it from this level to this level, kaya lang sa floor. So, what happened was, nagkaroon siya ng dent here and line na basag. So, for the whole time, may basag yung iPhone X ko. But then again, as you can see, 4 times stronger and tougher among all other smartphone glass na. And at the back, it's matte finish. So, very posh, no, as you can see. Talking about the sides, the rim. So, whatever color you have, for example, it comes in 4 different colors. You have Pacific blue, you have graphite or gray, you have silver, and of course, you have the gold. I chose this gold because it's very feminine. So, on the side, guys, the rim, it's made of surgical grade stainless steel. It protects the whole phone, no? So, pero, the disadvantage of it is that it will collect all your fingerprints. So, if you have the case, there's phone cases. For example, you have the leather cases, MagSafe leather case or transparent case, na? Yung actually, the one thing that I like is that it's compatible with whatever color that you have. Apple released MagSafe cases, and it also has a magnet here that you can put, for example, extra pocket that you can use to put your ATM cards, your credit cards, yan. And of course, it's water resistant. So one thing that differentiates iPhone 12 Pro Max from iPhone 12 because of its camera. As you can see, guys, its camera is bigger and also the flash is bigger. But not only that, my secret feature yan, guys. It has its camera sensor. There are times when you shoot videos from your car. So as you can see, the road is shaky, diba? So the same thing, your videos can be shaky too. Or let's say, if you're holding your camera and your hand is a bit shaky, so your videos is also shaky, jiggling, diba? But this camera sensor actually stabilizes the shots that you make. It makes it steady even if you are shaky or you are in a car. So, di ba? Great videos to make. So, and again, meron siyang different types of zooming experience. As you can see there, guys, na meron tayong 1x, but of course, we also have this 2.5x na. So this photo is a bit blurry. That's from iPhone X. Pero this one, nakita natin it's more detailed with hair, and here the colors are very vivid, so very good for videos and photo making. Thank you for watching this vlog. Bye!